Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping in. This is, of course, Unbox and Chill. We're almost at 500 subscribers, so I do want to say at the top of the video real quick, just kind of before I get into the content. I think we're about 12 or 13 subscribers away from reaching the 500 subscriber threshold. And then once we get to the 500 subscriber threshold, guys, I am giving away a watch winder and an automatic watch. So this is primarily a watch channel, though we do unbox other things. We've done Bluetooth speakers here. We've done wallets, you know. And today we're going to have, obviously, if you saw the the title, we have an iPhone today to unbox. So the top of my banner does say watches, tech, everything. It's just primarily watches because I love watches. So listen, let's get into our wristwatch check, and we'll get straight away into the unboxing, okay, without delay. This is the Seiko Turtle, okay? This is the Batman Seiko Turtle. I wear this on the channel quite a bit. It is on my channel. You can see it be unboxed. So this is on my channel. Browse around, check out some of the other videos if you're new here and you don't usually, you know, you wouldn't really watch content. Watches are awesome. So you know, you may get into another hobby here, so check it out. Just in case there's some people watching who don't normally watch content and they're here to see the iPhone. So, but anyway, let's get into it straight away here. Very excited for my new phone. I've got my Champagne, my Cola Champagne. So this entire YouTube channel is pretty much run from an iPhone. Okay, so I made the intro on my iPhone. I edit the videos on my iPhone, and I upload them from my iPhone. Everything happens from my iPhone, basically. And I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max currently, okay? So, of course, they put out a new one. It's supposed to have better cameras, better video recording capability, you know, high dynamic range. Like I believe Dolby Vision is on it. So I wanted to make sure that I got one so that I can get the new phone, because I always get the new iPhone. But of course, it's going to really help me in terms of, you know, providing better quality videos. So let's take a look at the new iPhone here, guys. So this is it here. And this is in the Midnight Blue. That's the new color variant that they have. And as you can see, guys, this is totally sealed. So I've not even taken this out of the plastic at all. Let's get right down to it. Okay. Always love opening a new phone. It's always a great experience. There we go. So the seal is broken. Let's go in and check out the... okay. So that's just the box there. It has a little cutout here for the camera inside the box. And one thing you'll notice this year, guys, is that Apple, as you can see, the box is very slim here. They're not including a power brick. So... for the price, which these are over $1,000, you would think that they could just include a power brick. I don't know. I mean, I know that they claim that they're saving the environment. That's why they're not sending it with one. But not including a power brick, that's very controversial. It's a little user hostile too, but anyway, but I digress, right? So this is in the beautiful Midnight Blue, as I said. This is the 12 Pro Max, as you can see here. It's got the shiny stainless steel edge. That's going to get all fingerprinty. And without further ado, let's do this part. Oh yeah, that's always satisfying. So, so we'll go over the specs, guys. We'll take a look at the specs and see exactly what it entails. Let's see here. We've got designed by Apple in California. This is just going to be your normal Apple stickers and all that sort of thing. We will just toss that to the side. And you've got your typical Apple lightning cable. So, and yes, no headphone jack. So, no headphone jack at all. So, unfortunately. So, all right, we will toss that to the side. And like I said, guys, this midnight blue is an extremely nice color. I really like this midnight blue color here. So let's get down to the specs, and then we'll get out of here. This will be a little bit short video. It's not going to be super long. But I just wanted to unbox the new iPhone just in case you haven't seen it and you want to know what it entails. This is the new iPhone. These are the specs here. Okay. This comes in 3 size variants. You've got the 128, the 256, and the 512. Of course, I just took the 128. I just took the cheapest one. Just because I have a 64 now and it runs fine. So I went ahead and just did a 128. So it's double the space. This is just showing you all the different dimensions of the phone. Okay. And down here, we've got 6.1, 6.7. Obviously, the regular sized one is 6.1. The Pro model, like we have, a 6.7 inch. That does come with a Super Retina XDR display. And that is, let's see here, a PPI for the PPI squad here. That's a pixels per inch of 458. So, not bad, not bad. Let's see here. So, HDR display, True Tone. Let's see here. We've got wide color. Let's see here. We've got haptic touch. Just kind of going over all the different features here. It does have the A14 Bionic, which is going to be the first chip, I believe, in a smartphone with the 5nm process. So that is pretty insane. And if you don't know necessarily, or doesn't necessarily make sense to you what I'm saying, you're probably just, your eyes are glazing over. Not a big deal. Basically, this is high-end. This is top-end. This is the best iPhone that you can currently purchase. Is essentially all that means. So, essentially going over the cameras here. Face ID, Apple Pay, all this other stuff. And I just kind of let you know where you can get it. If you've had an iPhone, guys, it is not unlike any other iPhone that you've already had. Just in a little bit nicer package. I always tell people you can keep an iPhone for usually 3-4 years, sometimes even 5 years, and with regular updates, it's going to feel fine. You don't necessarily need to rush out and grab an iPhone when it's the newest one. It's just something that me being a techie, I've literally had every model. So, listen, don't feel like, oh, I have to go get the new iPhone. Let me know in the comment section below, which one do you use? Are you an Apple guy? Are you an Android guy? Do you use some other type of phone? Do you not use a smartphone at all? Do you use a dumb phone? Do you still carry a razor? Okay. I just really want to know, what type of phone do you guys use? Just in your everyday, and especially if you do some kind of video recording with your phone, what kind of phone do you use? To me, the iPhone has always been great. It's always been plug and play. Things have just always kind of worked. If I ever needed to export something to my Mac Pro here, it's extremely easy. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys use. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Like I said, I think we're 12 or 13 people away from hitting that 500 so that we can give away a nice automatic watch and the nice automatic watch winder. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping in. This has been Unbox and Chill, signing out.